Hey superstars, it's Magi Helena. I'm an internationally syndicated columnist, astrology pioneer, and inventor. So, I have just launched my new Best Worst Days advanced calendars. The serious announcement is in the other video. This is the comedy version. So what are best and worst days? Best days are days with the strongest odds of best outcomes. Worst days are days with the strongest odds of worst outcomes. Knowing best worst days in advance lets you put the odds in your favor. So here's a little backstory. The old society used to do best and worst days. They kept getting later and later till they finally stopped about a year ago. When they stopped, I had to start producing them. People need best worst days. Timing impacts outcomes, folks. It's just that simple. It was taking me about 20 hours a month to generate them manually, and that was so not sustainable. I knew I really needed to automate this, but until you get the inspiration, you don't even know where to begin. This comedy video is about the algorithm that underlies my new Best Worst Days advanced calendars. I love to laugh, and amid the wild ride that developing an algorithm puts you on, I was telling myself jokes, cracking myself up just to mentally survive. I decided then that my little personal, fun little reward upon completion would be to make a comedy video of the algo experience for all of you. This little mashup of some of my favorite characters will show you what dancing with algoritmo is really like. Once you finally get the inspiration of where to start, all the old doubts kick in. Even despite my earlier algorithm-based products having been big hits. You just start. You know what you're doing. Been there, successfully done that, right? But algorithms take on a life of their own. Over and over and over again, you go blank, which is pure terror when a clock's ticking and you need to get her done. Then prayer, meditation, and sleep will bring the next direction to try. Most nights. It's an up and down, agony and ecstasy jam. A hokey pokey, time warp kind of thing. It's just a jump to the left, then a frickin' whiplash to the right. Yikes! It's a hope, despair thrill ride that could only thrill a serious nerd like me. During algo development, I often think this is exactly why people just don't take on big things. They're just so hard. You have to dig way down for more faith. And just keep going. Version after version after version. Up and down. Back and forth. Test, test, test. Ah! Into the dumpster. Start again. Oh wait, that just worked. Test, test. Oh no. No. Come on, just keep on. Get up again. Dust it off again. Come on, we've got this. Sweet satisfaction when you're almost there. And then we are. The eagle has landed. Very exciting stuff. And I am so grateful to my old mentor, despite all the lies and all the drama. I truly do forgive you, and I genuinely wish you well. I did it! I freaking did it! Made it! Whew. All the scientific, multidimensional astrology principles in the public domain for the last 35 years now distilled out into one single algorithm. Why did I even put myself through this? Mostly because I just needed to free up time. But realize this, the algorithm is only done for right now. As I finally get back to more research for myself, this formula will absolutely be tweaked going forward as I learn more. This algorithm is what powers my new Best Worst Days advanced calendars. These calendars are my first new drop since 2016. You can now get Best and Worst Days in advance. Get them by the quarter year or save big with a full year. They're available in 4 standard regional time zones for instant download. See the other video for more of the serious deets on this brand new offering. But hurry, you can only get my biggest discount ever of 50% off for 2 days. See the link and the coupon, if it's not already too late, in the text below. Timing really is everything. Get intentional and get results. And remember to laugh. Laugh all the way to the bank, the altar, the checkered flag, the silver screen, the stars, whatever destination you're dreaming of. Laughter is one of the things that makes it all worthwhile. I love you guys so much.